Hey guys, it's TJ, and it's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna do a special video on glitch tutorials. So today we're gonna be doing the Mushroom Gorge glitch. Okay, so you wanna go here. I'm doing the easiest way. Get yourself into this semicircle around here. Reverse a little bit, shroom and wheelie, hop and trick. Then you will go onto the other side. You need to make sure you drift here to make the lap count. And there you have it. That's the Mushroom Gorge glitch. Next I'll be showing you a glitch that a few people, including I, have found, but it doesn't count the lap. It's this glitch over here. Just gonna climb myself up. Okay, got it. You just keep going. And you enter this cave. Unfortunately, that does not count the lap. Hopefully in the future, some people will find a way where it will. And yep, that was another mini shortcut. Next, I'll be switching courses on to Maple Treeway. Now this one I'll be doing a shortcut. Or is it a shortcut? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's gonna it's similar to a turn skipper. The one that Schwarmalio found. Schwarmalio Mario Kart. It does skip a turn, but it's not that exact same one. This one Troy found, TWD98. Okay, so for this one, don't go on the boost panel. Well, you can, but then you have to slow yourself down afterwards. Okay, now, get down here. And then when you're ready, move to the left and use a shroom to skip that entire turn. So that's the first step. You need to go off and jump. And before I try again, I'll show you where you need to land. You should land around here, and then from there you should just hit the edge and then bounce off like this. Next, I'll be showing a Grumble Volcano, the ultra shortcut tutorial. This is all I'll be doing for today. I'll be uploading a video tomorrow, which is first day of 2014. Now, do this by lifting up the Wii wheel. Turn up to here and use the shroom. So, right into this little tiny crack above me. Then, find your perfect place to do that. So that's the little crevice or spot on the rock that you're aiming to hit. This is what it looks like in a run. There. You should hit this wall, turn around and make sure you hit this little bump over here, because that triggers a checkpoint, sorry. Careful not to fall off, and then when you get here, hit this bit, wheelie. The lap will count. You can do it every lap. Just like this, and the lap will count. If you want a better run of this, view my Grumble Volcano best run. And yeah, if you want, you can just continue heading on with the lap. So thanks for watching. There will be a video tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.